take a couple more breaths. Breathe in slowly. Breathe out completely. And become fully mindful about your breath. Feeling that cool oxygen as you breathe in. And feeling that warm carbon dioxide as you breathe out. Now let's bring back both the palms together to the heart, Namaskar Mudra. And set your intention for this practice. Repeat your personal goal 3 times in your mind. Now let's raise both the hands up, keep your palms open, eyes closed, facing to the sky. We'll chant 5 Ohms. So breathe in. Again, bring back both the palms together. Let's start with the prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Bhunaktu, Sahaviryam Karavavahai, Tejasvinavaditamastu ma vidvisavahai. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Now let's take both the hands to the back. Hold on to your right wrist with the left hand. As you inhale, keep your face to the farthest sky. As you exhale, gently drop your forehead down to the ground. Now stay in that position for a few more breaths. The meaning of this prayer: may the universe protect us all. May the universe nourish us all. May this practice of yoga be fruitful and enlightening. May there be no discord, no disharmony among each other. May there be peace. Om, peace, peace, peace. Now release your hands as you inhale and rub your palms. And keep your palms gently on your face, on your eyes, and feel the warmth of your palms. And slowly gently touch your face. And finally keep them like an open book with a couple of blinks. Open your eyes, look at your palms. May all good things happen. So today we'll focus mostly on the back, with lower back. If you have back pain or any kind of strain on your back, you might feel all this process more comfortable. So we'll start with the lying down position. So completely bring yourself back to lying down position on your mat. And just relax for 10 breaths. So breathe in slowly and breathe out. The relaxation is very important. Very slowly breathe in and breathe out. As you breathe in, allow the tummy to rise up a little bit more to the front, up. And as you breathe out, allow it to sink back down towards the ground. So do it 5 more times, breathing in, breathing out. Breathe in and out. Let's start with a full body stretch. So keep your legs together. Take your hands over the head, interlock your fingers, keep your palm facing up, out, and then try to give your whole body a nice stretch. So stretch your body, stretch, 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 stretch. And then relax. Keep your hands on your side. So from the lying down position, we'll start with the right leg. So as you inhale, lift your right leg up. Hold it for some time. And hold your breath also. As you exhale, slowly bring it down. We will repeat this motion 9 more times. So keep your legs together. Inhaling, lift your right leg up. And hold the position, hold your breath. And exhaling, slowly bring it down. So do it mindfully. Inhale and hold. Exhaling, drop it down. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale, lift it up. Hold your breath and hold your position. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Two more times. Breathe in. Hold. And breathe out. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Now just relax for 5 breaths here. Notice the difference between the right leg and the left leg. Now come back to starting point, both the legs together. As you inhale, lift up your left leg up. Hold it. And exhaling, slowly bring it down. Inhale, lift it up. Hold it. Exhale, slowly bring it down. Inhale, lift it up. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Two more times. Inhale. Hold your breath. Exhale. One more time. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Now just relax a few more breaths. So in between the practices, you must relax properly. So breathe in, breathe out 10 times. Relax your legs, relax your back. Breathe in, breathe out. Good. Now keep your legs together, keep your hands in your side, starting point. As you inhale, fold your right leg and then to keep your left leg up. Exhale, bring it down. Now change your leg. Inhale, lift it, fold your left leg and exhale, bring your right leg up. Back remains on the ground. Exhale, drop it down. So like this, we'll do a couple of times. So inhale, right leg folded, left leg lifted up to legs level. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, lift it to left, folded, right up. Exhale, drop it down. Good, keep doing it. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale, right leg folded, left leg up. Exhale, drop them down. Inhale, left leg folded, right up. Exhale, drop them down. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Two more times. Inhale, right leg folded, left leg up. Exhale, drop them down. Inhale, left folded, right leg up. Exhale, drop them down. Last one. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale, left leg folded, right leg up. Straight. Exhale, drop them down. And again, relax with your breath. Notice the difference. Breathe in, breathe out. Okay. Now come back to Sthiti, starting point. As you inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, fold it down, interlock your fingers. Now keep your right knee as close as possible to the chest. Hold for 5 seconds. Now, as you inhale up again, exhale, drop them down. Relax, inhale, exhale. Repeat it a few more times on the right leg. Inhale, lift your right leg up. Exhale, fold it down. Pull it down a little bit more closer. And once you exhale, hold your breath. Inhale up again. And exhale, slowly bring your leg down. Inhale, right leg up. Exhale, pull it down and squeeze out towards the chest. Once you complete your exhale, hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift up. Exhale, slowly bring it down. Inhale up. Exhale. Hold your breath. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Hold it closer to the chest. Hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale. Your back and head still remains on the ground. Inhale up and exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Hold. Inhale up. Exhale, drop down. 2 more times. Inhale up. Exhale, fold and bring it down closer. Hold your breath. Inhale up. Exhale. Inhale up. Exhale, fold and hold it tight. Hold your breath. Inhaling up and exhale, slowly bring it down. Relax for 5 breaths. I'll repeat the same technique on the left leg. Keep your legs together, keep your hands on your side. Prarambha Sthiti. Inhale, lift your left leg up. Exhale, fold it. Close your knees to the chest. Hold the breath. Inhaling up and exhale, bring it down. Good. Inhale, lift up your left leg up. Exhale, fold it down. Interlock your fingers on the top of the knee. Pull down a little bit closer to the chest and back and head still on the ground. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale, lift up. And exhale, slowly and gracefully drop your left leg down. Relax. Inhale, exhale. Good. Keep doing it. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, hold it, bring it down. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale, left up. Exhale, hold it. Inhale up, exhale. Inhale up, exhale. Hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up, exhale, left leg down. Inhale, exhale completely out. Few more times. Inhale up, exhale, hold it tight, bring it down closer to the chest. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up, exhale, drop it down. Good. Inhale up, exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up and exhale. Last 2 rounds. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, hold it. Breathe in up and breathe out. Inhale up, exhale. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Inhale up and exhale, drop it down. Relax the front breath. Breathe in, breathe out. We're just doing this practice for lower back pain relief. Good. Next one, we'll do like a cycling motion. So keep your legs folded. Keep your hands on your side. Back remains on the ground. Head also remains on the ground. And just do your movement of your legs in a cyclic way. We'll do 30 counts forward and 30 reverse back. So just do a simple cyclic motion. Keep exhaling. Inhalation happens automatically. Now reverse the directions, opposite way. Keep exhaling. Good. Now keep your legs folded, keep your feet on the ground, and just relax a few breaths. As you inhale, tummy up. As you exhale, tummy down. Relax for 10 breaths. Good. Now try to bring your heels a little bit more closer to the hip, as close it can come, and keep your foot flat on the ground. Keep your hands on your side. So keeping the foot on the ground. As you inhale, exhale one more time. One more inhale. As you exhale, lift up a little bit more. And as you inhale, slowly bring it down to the ground. Repeat this motion a few times. Exhale, lift up your hip all the way up. Inhale, slowly bring them down to the ground. One vertebra at a time. Feel the back completely grounded. Exhale, lift up. Inhale. Exhale up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Now the last one, lift up and then try to hold that position for some time. So keep your palms on your side. As you exhale, lift them up and hold the position for 10 breaths. Your chest and chin coming closer to each other. You can keep your eyes closed, just relax for a few breaths. Feel for your lower back and allow more blood circulation to them. Now slowly, gently, as you inhale, bring your back completely grounded, one vertebra at a time. Slowly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. So keep your legs still folded. Now keep your feet a little bit more apart, about mat width distance between the feet, and keep your hands stretched out. So hands are stretched out, and keep your palm facing down, and then relax for some time. So your hands are stretched out at the shoulder level. Legs are folded, palms facing down. Now do a spinal twist. So as you exhale, try to bring your knees to your left side and turn your head to the right side. Exhaling. Inhale, come back to the center. As you exhale, drop your knees to your right and turn your head to the left. Spinal twist. Inhale, come back to the center. Do it gently. Become careful about your back. Repeat this motion a few times. Exhaling, knees to the left, turning head to the right. As much as you can go. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, knees to the right, turning head to the left. Inhale, come back to the center. So you should feel good in your back. Exhale, knees to the left, head to the right. Inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, knees to the right, turning head to the left. Breathe in, come back to the center. Breathing out, knees to your left, turning head to the right. Breathe in, come back to the center. Breathing out, knees to the right, turning head to the left. Inhale, come back to the center. 2 more times. Exhaling, knees left, head right, right head moving towards the ground. Inhale, come back. Exhale. Knees to the left, knees to your right, turning head to the left. Inhale, come back. And the last one, we'll try to hold in each side for about 10-15 mindful breaths. So come back to Sthiti, starting point. Feet on the ground, about mat distance, knees up in the air. Your back is completely grounded, head is resting on the ground. Hands are stretched out at the shoulder level, palms facing down. Now inhale. As you exhale, drop your knees all the way to the left and turn your head all the way to the right. And hold the position for some time. So knees are separately touching the ground. Your right knee is below the left foot. Breathe in, breathe out. And you can keep your eyes gently closed and just relax in this position. Allow the back to heal itself. Pay attention to your breath. Now as you inhale, slowly, gently consider coming out from this, simply to a neutral position. Feet on the ground, knees up in the air, back is grounded, head is resting on the ground. Relax for 5 breaths. This is called Markatasana, the monkey pose, or the spinal twist. Very powerful technique for the back pain. Now do the other side. So we'll exhale and then try to drop the knees to the right side and turn the head to the left side. The left ear will be closer to the ground. So let's do it. Exhaling, knees to the right, both the knees separately touching the ground, left knee below the right foot and turning head to the left side. Left ear should touch the ground. Keep your eyes gently closed and just meditate on your back. Feel like the huge magnetic field of the earth is healing your backbone by just adjusting the discs, blood circulation happening. Breathe in, breathe out. This is called Sthiram, Sukham Asanam. That means every posture like this is leading us towards a state of stability, Sthiram, and a state of bliss, Sukham. So express that on your face, a gentle smile. As you inhale slowly, consider coming out from this, very slowly and gently, without any jerk, without any haste. Very slowly and gracefully bring it back to a grounded position. Head is resting on the ground. Now you can keep your palm facing up and just relax completely. So palm facing up, fingers are curled naturally. Hands are still stretched out. Relax for 10 more breaths. Become aware of the movement of your tummy. With every inhalation, it's a little bit pulled up towards the roof. Every exhalation is pushed down towards the ground. And try to feel for your back. Okay. Now keep your legs straightened out. Now from the lying down positions, we'll turn to the right side, and from the right turn positions, we'll come out to a sitting down positions. So keep your left leg folded and turn your whole body to the right side with the right elbow. Slowly lift up. So from the right side, not from the left. From the right side, lift up and slowly, gently come back. Okay. Now we'll do a couple of asanas on the kneeling down position. So come back all the way. So keep your knees about hip width distance. And keep your hands on your thighs. Now inhale. Exhale completely out. So inhaling, stretch back a little bit more. And exhale, breathe out to the teeth and bring your chin to the chest like this. So do it a couple of times. Inhaling is called camel stretch. Stretch like a camel. Inhaling through the nose. And exhaling, breathe out to the teeth. Bring your chin to the chest like a tortoise. It's called Kurma Pranayama. Exhaling. Good. Few more rounds. Inhale. Inhale through the nose, camel stretch, Ustrasana. Breathe out to the teeth, crevices of the teeth, Kurma Pranayama. So chin to the chest. Inhale, open up. As back as can possible. Feel the stretch. Exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. And exhale. Inhale. Exhale to the teeth. Last one. Inhale. Exhale to the teeth. Now inhale, come back to the central neutral point. Relax for 10 breaths. Just breathe in, breathe out. Now come back to standing on the floor. position. So bring your palms right below the shoulder. Bring them about shoulder width distance. So keep your knees about hip width distance, right below the hip. So palms right below the shoulder, shoulder width distance, knees right below the hip width distance, back is parallel to the ground. So we'll do a cat and cow stretch, which is a very powerful technique for the back again. So first inhale. As you exhale, you round up your back, tighten your tummy and chin to the chest like this, like a cat. Once you complete your exhale, inhale, truncate your back, extend your neck, look up like a cow. So exhale like a cat, squeeze down, tighten your tummy, chin to the chest, rounding up the back. Inhale, truncate your back, drop the hip down, extend your neck, look up. So your vertebrae are opening up and closing down. Exhale, rounding up, tighten your tummy. Inhale, open up, expand your backbone. So do it a few more times. Exhale. Inhale. Try to engage your thoughts on the complete backbone from the tailbone to the back of the neck. Visualize every disc is opening up. You're breathing in through them, breathing out through them. So tightening of the muscles of the tummy that improves the health of your kidneys and liver and all the internal organs. Exhale. So when you exhale, you squeeze out. As you inhale, open up. Do it a few more times. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. So do it a few more times on your personal practice. Maybe about a couple of minutes you can do it. Every day, 5 minutes of this exercise. It's a very good recommendation for the back pain. You can also do an Ujjayi breath with constricted throat. Make that oceanic sound as you breathe in and out. Good. Now stay here for a few breaths. Just relax completely. Keep your palms just flat on the ground. Relax your back. Breathe in, breathe out. Now as you inhale, we will try to stretch out the left hand and the right leg and then bring them down. And then we'll change the hands, right hand and the left leg. So inhaling, lift up your left hand, straighten out and right leg. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring it back. Inhale, stretch your right hand and the left leg parallel to the ground. Hold your breath. Exhale, bring your right palm, left knee to the ground. So this is the routine. We'll do it a few more cycles. So inhale, left and right leg stretch out. Hold. Exhale, bring them down slowly. Inhale, right hand, left leg stretch out. Hold. Exhale, bring them back slowly. So do it very slowly. Inhale, left and right leg. Hold. Exhale, bring them back. Inhale, right and left leg stretch. Hold. Exhale, bring them back. Repeat a few more times. Inhale. Hold. Exhale, drop them down. Inhale, change your hands and legs, right and left leg, opposite hands and legs, not the same side. Bring them back as you exhale. 2 more times. Inhale, left and right leg. Hold. Exhale, bring them back. Inhale, right and left leg. Hold. Exhale, bring them back. Last one. Inhale, left and right leg up, parallel to the ground. Exhale, bring them back. Inhale, right and left leg up, parallel to the ground. Hold, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring them back slowly, and then relax. Inhale, exhale completely out. Now from this position, we'll come back to your prone position. That means you lie down, face down on the tummy. Just keep your palms flat on the ground, right below the shoulder. Keep your forehead to the ground. Relax for a few breaths. Now do a Bhujangasana. So keeping the palms flat on the ground, right below the shoulder. As you inhale, simply lift up your upper body as up as possible. Like a cobra. Exhaling, bring them down. Keep your elbows down, keep your forehead down. Repeat it a few times. Inhale up. Hold. Exhale, drop them down. Inhale up. Hold. Exhale, slowly bring them down. Inhale up. Hold. Exhale, slowly bring them down. Inhale up. Hold. Exhale, drop them down. Inhale up. Hold. Exhale, drop them down. Inhale up. Hold. Exhale, drop them down. Inhaling up. Hold. Exhale, drop them down. Last 2 rounds. Inhale up. Bhujangasana. Hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, slowly bring them down. Last one. Inhale up. Stay 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale, bring them down. Now just keep your hands stretched out, palms facing down. Now first turn your head to the left side and keep your right ear on the ground and just relax for a few breaths. Now change your head to the other side. Keep your left ear touching the ground, turn to your right side and stay there for a few breaths. Relax. Now inhale, come back to Sthiti. Keep your chin to the ground, throat flat on the ground, and keep your hands underneath your thighs, palm facing up. We'll get into Ardha Salavasana Kriya, which is also very good for lower back. So keep your chin to the ground, throat flat on the ground, legs are together, feet together, toes pointing out. Palms right below the thighs, facing up. Now as you inhale, lift your right leg up straight without bending at the knee. Hold. As you exhale, slowly bring it down. Repeat few times. Inhale, right leg up. Hold. Exhale, bring it down. Inhale, right leg up. Hold. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, right leg up. Hold. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, right up. Hold. Exhale, drop it down. So each practice will bring 10 times. Inhale, right up. Hold. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, up. Hold. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, right up. Hold. Exhale, drop it down. 2 more times. Inhale, right up. Hold. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, right up. Hold. Exhale, drop it down. Now in this position itself, again one more time, turn your head to the left side and stay there for 10 breaths. Relax. Now again come back to Sthiti. Both the legs are still together on the ground. Your chin to the ground, throat flat on the ground. Now do the same technique 10 times to the left leg, Ardha Salavasana. So inhale, lift up your left leg up. Hold. Exhale, slowly bring it down. Inhale, lift up your left leg up. Hold. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale, lift up your left leg up. Hold. Exhale, drop it down slowly. Inhale, left up. Hold. Your chin still on the ground, throat flat. Exhale, drop it down. Repeat a few more times. Inhale, left up. Hold. Exhale, drop it down. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Last one. Inhale up. Last two. Hold. Exhale. Inhale up. Hold your breath. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Exhale slowly. Bring it down. Now you can turn your head to the right side. Keep your left cheek on the ground and relax with your breath. Nice. Come back. Now we can do a prone position, Makarasana, to relax for your breath. So keep your palms on the opposite shoulder, right palm on the right palm on the left shoulder, left palm on the right shoulder. Keep your chin down to the edge of the hands. Keep your elbows a little bit more stretched out, and keep your legs spread out. Keep your heels dropping inside and toes pointing outward, just like a crocodile. Makarasana. Just relax completely. So feel like you're able to drop out the whole body weight to the ground and just relax. Your whole body is touching the ground. Breathe in, breathe out. Take about 21 deep breaths. So it will also expand your lungs from the back side. So inhale deeply, exhale deeply. I can just stay here, relax for some time, completely breathe in, breathe out. Just about 1 minute, we'll totally relax. This is Makarasana. So if you're just doing it for the back pain, immediately after this you can do a yoga nidra for 10-15 minutes to relax the whole body. Otherwise we'll come back to it. Standing up position, slowly, gently come out from this. Take your time to come back to standing up position. So keep your feet about hip width distance, strongly grounded. Keep your hands on your side. Just stay for 10 breaths. Let you feel your body again. Feet flat on the ground. Your legs are strongly grounded. You feel like 2 lines of energy getting drawn from your ground to your heels and flowing through your legs, making them more stronger. Flowing through your backbone, keeping the back more stronger. And the whole body strongly grounded. Inhale, stretch out both the hands up from the side. Keep your palms together and stretch up and stay for 10 breaths. Just feel like the whole stretch from the feet to the hands. Now do a Kati Chakras, side stretch just for the side. So keep your feet strongly grounded, hands on your side. As you inhale, slowly lift up your right hand up, and as you exhale, bend to the left and stay for 10 breaths. Keep your left hand sliding down the left thigh. You can keep your eyes focused on a single point, or you can keep it closed. Stay for a few more breaths. Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Inhale, straighten up. And as you exhale, slowly bring it down. Relax for 5 breaths. Now do the other side. As you inhale, simply lift up your left hand up. As you exhale, slowly bring it down. Keep your right palm sliding down the right thigh. As much as possible, you can bend to the right. You can keep your eyes focused on a single point, or keep your eyes closed and stay for a few breaths. Breathe in, breathe out. Feel the stretch. Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Remember that Stiram Sukham Asanam says Patanjali's principle: be stable, be happy. A gentle smile on the face, all the practice. Inhale, straighten up. And as you exhale, allow the left hand to drop down slowly. And then relax. Inhale, exhale. Now do a breath cleansing. So keep your legs apart, about 3 to 4 feet apart. Bend your knees, keep your palms on your knees. Lean forward, just like you're blowing out 10 candles. So breathe in through the nose and breathe out through the mouth. Now we'll practice a Tibetan practice which brings us more health, more rejuvenation of every cell. It will help us to look younger, live longer. So keep your hands stretched out, left palm facing down, letting go of all the stress and worries to the Mother Earth. Keep your right palm facing up, receiving all the grace from the Father Sky. Now from the right to left, we'll rotate 10 times with the chanting of the Tibetan mantra called Om Mani Padme Hum. So Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum, 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 Om Mani Padme Hum. Om Mani Padme Hum. Now keep your feet about hip width distance, keep your hands on your side, keep your chin down to the chest, eyes closed, make a tight fist just like a strong person standing up, just like you're waking up a sleeping giant within. We call a Hanuman spirit. We will chant the Hanuman's mantra to bring that determined and strong mind, focused mind, and a very confident body. confident mind. And visualize that you're looking younger and living longer. So inhale. Om Ham Hanumate Namaha. Feel the power inside. Om Ham Hanumate Namaha. Om Ham Hanumate Namaha. Om Ham Hanumate Namaha. Om Ham Hanumate Namaha. Now, if you have time, just do a 10 minutes of Yoga Nidra. Totally relax the whole body. So completely relax the whole body. So lie down to the ground. Keep your legs simply apart. Keep your hands on your side. Keep your palm facing up to the sky. Fingers curled naturally without any tension. And keep your eyes gently closed. And let the head rest on the ground or wherever you are comfortable. And try to just review everything that we did. Just try to remember all the practices from the beginning of this class and see if you can gently remind yourself, just like you're watching a recorded play of your practice, recorded movie of your practice. So keep your eyes gently closed, just in a relaxed way, not to tax your mind, but in a very gentle way. Remind yourself all the different routines we did from the beginning of this class. You can stay here for a few more breaths. Until you feel completely relaxed. We did the practice for the lower back. And feel grateful for a stronger backbone that we all have. Appreciate the strength in the back that helps us to move, walk, run, sit, sleep, get up, and do all kind of work. Strong backbone is very important. Now we'll complete this practice. So slowly, gently, I'll count 1, 2, and 3. So when you hear 3, you'll be totally refreshed, awake, and very strong. 1, try to become fully aware of your body, more relaxed. 2, try to become aware of your breath, much deeper, rhythmic. And 3, become aware of your mind. Beautiful mind, magnificent mind, strong, determined, focused mind. Now, from the lying down position, from the Yoga Nidra, always turn to the right side. And from the right hand position, slowly bring yourself back to a crossed leg, palms together, Sukhasana. You can keep your eyes still closed and try to feel the balance on your left side and the right side. Feel that centeredness, that calmness, that peace of the mind. And with this state of mind and body, remember about your goal once again. Repeat your goal 3 times in your mind. Now connect your loved ones, connect to the world as one family. Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam. Let's practice this peace prayer for everyone's health, happiness and success. Sarve bhavantu sukhinah, sarve santu niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschit dukkha bhag bhavet. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. May everyone in this universe, in this planet, be healthy, be safe, may be auspicious for one another. May there be no miseries with anyone. May there be peace. Om, peace, peace, and peace. Okay? Namaste. Rub your palms one more time. And once the palms are warm enough, keep them like completely covering your face, eyes open, mouth open, and take 10 breaths to cleanse your face with your breath. Relax. Inhale. Exhale. Slowly open your eyes and come back to standing up position. Keep your hands stretched out, palm facing out, and stand on the tippy toes. Stay there for 24 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 24. And just laugh out loud for all the worries of the stress of the mistake. Ha 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 ha.